This is the brand new Hamilton conversion kit for the 2010 to 14 Subaru Legacy and Outback. It's going to give you wireless CarPlay and Android Auto and make your vehicle feel brand new. This system is backed with a powerful Qualcomm processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of onboard storage, and specs designed to handle the hardest apps that you can throw at it. It's going to make your vehicle more powerful than even the newest cars on the market. If your car did not come with a factory backup camera like this one we're in today, you can easily add an aftermarket backup camera. Check out our help center on full details on how to do that. We're going to have a full installation video on our YouTube channel. You'll see this device fits beautifully right in place of your factory radio. It truly looks like something that came from the factory. You can scroll the volume up and down using your steering wheel controls or 2 fingers up and down on the left side here. Here in CarPlay, no matter whether you use Apple Music, Spotify, Pandora, the SiriusXM app, or any other music app, you'll have easy access to all of your songs and beautiful cover art. Coming back home, this system is also going to work with Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, or any other navigation app of your choosing. You'll have access to large, beautiful navigation. Here on the Hamilton home screen, any app that has a CarPlay component is automatically going to show up. You can use the voice speech button to easily trigger Siri as well. Hey Siri, how's the weather in Raleigh, North Carolina?
It's currently clear and 62 degrees. Today's high was 66 and the low will be 44.
Being able to ask Siri for information on the go is super powerful when you're driving, and Siri can also read your text messages or make phone calls. This system is going to preserve your original climate panel right here. You can see this is the split screen view in CarPlay, where you'd have navigation next to Now Playing, and notifications will pop up down here. On the widgets view here, we have a variety of widgets, and more coming soon from Apple. This is a powerful feature of CarPlay that's getting better by the day. You can touch the Hamilton icon at any time to come to the Hamilton underlying operating system. Here you're going to have access to a variety of powerful apps that may not be available in CarPlay or Android Auto. Any app with a Google Play Store component can be loaded directly onto this device, and it will allow you to do stuff that you might not be able to do in CarPlay or Android Auto. You can also add a 4G SIM card to this device. We'll show you that on the installation video where you would put it. It would allow you to stream directly on this device or have cell data directly on this device so that you can use these apps with your phone not present. You could also use these apps with your phone on a hotspot mode when CarPlay is not in use. If you had data set up here or connected to your phone's hotspot, this would be the Hamilton split screen view, where you could have navigation or Spotify or Chrome showing next to your Now Playing. At any time, touching this icon will easily bring you back to CarPlay. This system is designed with top-of-the-line components. We back it with a 3-year warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee, as well as concierge-style tech support here in Raleigh, North Carolina. If you have any questions before, during, or after your installation, you can give us a call and talk to me or one of my team members. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company. Check us out for any Subaru, Lexus, or Toyota need, and I'll see you in the next video.